Place glass G2 upside down on top of a blanket or carpet. Insert screws B into the outer metal discs on the glass. Insert screws A into the inner metal discs. Attach tubes number 2 and number 5 to screws B previously inserted. It is up to your preference whether to attach tubes number 2 on the left or right side of the glass top. They will dictate on which side the CPU shelf will be on. Insert small tubes number 1 to screws A as shown. Insert screws C into small tubes number 1. Detach drawer slide male pieces by pulling them all the way out and pressing down or up on the black plastic latch. Remember the position they were for the next step. Mount drawer slide male pieces onto keyboard glass G2 by matching its horizontal holes to the ones on the bonded metal plates on the glass. Secure the slide male pieces onto keyboard glass by using screws D. Attach slide female pieces back to the male pieces previously mounted on the keyboard glass. Position keyboard drawer for mounting as shown. Attach tubes number 3 and number 6 to screws C previously inserted. Remember, longer tubes number 3 go on the CPU side you have chosen. Insert screws C into tubes number 3 and number 6 previously installed. Install screws F into outer tubes number 5 previously installed. Install glass shelf G3 by matching its holes to the screws previously inserted as shown. Install another glass shelf G3 by matching its holes to the screws on the CPU side. Secure glass CPU shelf with screws E. Do not over-tighten. Attach tubes number 7 to screws F previously inserted. Attach remaining tubes number 6 to screws C previously inserted. Insert screws C into tubes number 6 previously installed. Install remaining glass shelf G3 by matching its holes to the screws inserted in the previous step as shown. Secure glass shelf with screws E. Do not over-tighten. Attach tubes number 4 to screws C previously inserted. Insert floor protectors G into tubes number 4 previously installed. Using 2 people, gently turn unit upside up. Congratulations! Your desk should now be assembled and ready to use. Thank you for watching this video.